Hi, I'm Ann McKinnell. Thanks for joining in. I want to show you another impressionist photography technique that you can create in post-production. So I have this image I made of some trees in a forest, and as you can see, this image has lots of problems. There's all kinds of weird stipply shadow effect and some blown out areas in the sky and a few different problems with it, but I like the composition of the trees, the way it turned out, and I think this has potential. So what I'm going to do is try a zoom technique on it in post-production. So I'm going to copy this background layer and I'm going to rename the layer Blur. Then I'm going to apply a radial blur to it. So I take the filter menu and I select blur, radial blur. And this probably makes you think of the circle radial blur that you see, but I'm going to change this to zoom. And then what I'm going to do is put the center of the zoom up in the top of the frame so it matches the composition of the image. And I've put the amount here to 24 and I'm just going to select OK. And Photoshop is going to think about this for a minute. And there we go. Much more interesting. Now I still have this problem with the blown out area in the sky, so I'm just going to crop that out. So I'm using my crop tool and I'm going to take it up to about there. And crop. That looks pretty good to me. Actually, I would like that to be right in the center. Well, it is. That's pretty good. Now I think the only other change I'm going to make to this image is to add a little bit of contrast to it, just to bring up the colors a little bit. And there we go. That is a huge improvement over the original. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time.